This might look like a simple grain of rice. But look closer and discover how it has served the economy of the state and is driving the rural livelihood of a constituency full steam ahead. Presenting Curtorim and the economy of rice. Curtorim is a constituency in the Salset Taluka of the South Goa district. Vast fields, toiling hands, and ever-smiling faces. You know you have reached Curtorim when you see them all. Nestled along the perennial Zuari River, Curtorim is a flourishing agrarian village known by a unique name.
कुर्तोरी म्हळ्यार रायस ग्रॅनरी ऑफ गोवा भाता कोड म्हणटाले गोंयकार सगळे जाण आसले की कुर्तोरी भाता कोंड म्हण खास करून हांव एक सादो एक कुर्तोरकार म्हण फर्स्ट मागीर आमदार.
This pride of being a Kurtarkar can be felt all around, not just in the twinkle in people's eyes, but also in the green of the standing crop, which is a legacy of generations.
हांव खंदानी भाडकार. आमी शेत रोयताले. आमी भुरगेपणा सावन वयताले आपल्या मायज बारो पायज बारो वयताले. शेत पयस रोयताले. तो मोग डेवलप जालो. आनी तो मोग सदां आमगे आवयन बापायन आमकां शेतां वयल्ले म्हण आज खास करून हांव म्हगे भुरग्यांकूय देखून व्हरपा लागला कित्याक मोग उरपा जाय म्हूण. आमी जर तर आमगे भुरग्यां व्हरनाय जाल्यार मोग उरपा ना. ते मोगाचे वयर सोन फायनली एक दीस आमदार जालो काय ना. मुगे फर्स्ट इश्यू जालो हो भाताकोड कितको सांबाळपा तो.
The steps taken by the MLA and people's love for their fields seem to be working. So despite climate change, shifting land use patterns and out-migration, how has Curtorim maintained its status of being the rice granary of Goa? What policies have helped Kurtarkars pursue their love for the soil? Has Antoday Tattva ushered in a new era of opportunities in this region? Hop on the Hub Express and travel to Curtorim to know how rice is driving the economy.